Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. My name is Aisha. Today's video is a fun one. I will be sharing 3 different home decor DIY ideas, and all these 3 items are very budget friendly. So for our first DIY, we're gonna head to Lowe's because I'm looking for a board to recreate a bath caddy, and I finally found one which is very affordable. There are so many options, and they were very nice enough to carry to the size I needed at Lowe's. Alright, so I'm back home and I'm using this rounded cutting board that I have at home to shape the round shape that I want, because the inspiration I'm using is a bath caddy from McGee & Co, which is $108, and I wanted to recreate this for less. And I'm gonna use a jigsaw to cut the board to give it the round shape. And you don't have to do this. This is just an option that I wanted. Again, you can leave it as it is. That shape is also nice. All right, so I'll be using an electric sander to sand the edges to make it smooth, because you don't want to leave it rough. And I'll use this special walnut stainer, a wood stain. You don't have to use this. This is what because I wanted the wood to be a little bit darker to bring some warmth to the bathroom. You don't really have to stain it. You can leave the wood as it is. Okay, and after everything was dry, I went ahead and used a paper towel to remove all the excess stain on it. And you have to coat this, so I'm using this matte clear Rust-Oleum coat spray paint to coat the wood, because it's going to be in contact with water. It's going to be on top of the bathtub, of course. And I chose the option to add some these legs and in the bottom, because this is going to prevent the board from sliding into the bathtub. So to do that, I'm going to use this glue, wood glue, to attach the legs to the bottom of the caddy. And here I'm using these clamps to keep it in place. So our next DIY is this beautiful magazine basket that I found at the thrift store for $9.99. I looked online, I see this for like $79, $88. I got mine for less. So I'm going to be spray painting this, because I don't really like those colors around it, the blue and reddish. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use my nutmeg spray paint to try to cover those colors, if that makes sense. You can use any color of your choice if you happen to find this. I never owned one of these, so I decided to try one. Okay, and the handle is 100% wood, so I went ahead and stained a little bit to see if I like it, but I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and stain the whole thing. Okay, and after I spray painted the nutmeg, it did not cover all those colors, the red and the green on it, so I don't like that. I'm gonna have another option. So I'm gonna use this espresso paint to go for the option I really want, like dark brown color, and I really like it. Actually, this paint was meant to do this vase that I wanted. I wanted a glaze but dark color so bad. Those vases are expensive. I mean, I can buy one, but why not create something for myself? So I'm gonna use the espresso paint spray paint to spray paint this vase. It's already glazed, but I don't like that red color at all, so I wanted something dark brown, and I think this was perfect. I like it. I hope you try this, and again, to get this glaze, like this shiny, you have to spray paint the glaze coat after it all dry. I give this vase 2 coats of the espresso paint, okay? And I really love the outcome. It's gorgeous.
Brick by brick we build the place, memories in every space. Laugh and shout till day is through, here with me and here with you. Morning's bright with light and song, nothing here can go too wrong. Coffee brew and warm embrace, start the day at our own